Hey guys, so this is the innovative Scuba tank strap holder, and I just want to show you what it looks like and what it's made of. This is pretty sturdy plastic here, doesn't bend easily, doesn't flex a lot. Heavy duty plastic. Stitching is also pretty solid. If you can see, you can't really see it on the black, but there's at least 2-3 stitches on each one. It's pretty sturdy. So is the handle. It's a very hard plastic, and even the plastic buckles are thick. Doesn't seem like they're going to flex much and come off. So I really like this. I think for the price that's listed, it's pretty good. The inside comes with a non-slip stitching on both of these, so that prevents the strap from slipping on the tank. So it feels pretty sturdy. These are almost like the BCD straps, nice and thick, solid. The one thing that I want to point out here is that there's absolutely no give for an aluminum 80. So I don't have very big fingers, but still, see that? So there's no space for me to put my fingers through. But when I pick it up, it stretches pretty well. It's very solid. I really like it. The one drawback for an aluminum 80 is that there's no space for me to put my fingers. Maybe it will flex with time. Maybe if I pull the straps closer together, if I push them closer down, maybe then I get some flex. Yep. So yeah, this is pretty solid. I really like it.